boys and girls, it's Miss Jennifer here, ready for some calendar time. All right, but before we do that, let's get our wiggles out. Ready? Wiggle your happy toes, wiggle your happy nose, wiggle your fingers too, then wiggle yourself like wiggle worms do. Reach down and touch your knees, reach up and touch the trees, tap, tap your happy feet and turn around and have a seat. Great job. Go ahead and sit crisscross applesauce and go ahead and put your prayer hands together either way you want to. And let's close our eyes and let's pray. You can say it with me or you can repeat after me, okay? Good morning, dear Jesus. This day is for you. We ask you to bless us in all that we think, say, and do. Amen. All right, great job. Well, we are ready to start. I've got my pointer and let's look at our calendar. All right, so it is still the month of October, getting ready for that special holiday at the end of the month. All right, and remember, we've talked about there are 4 parts to the calendar. So we've got the month and the year. And last week when Miss Lee saw you, she saw you on Thursday and it was October 15th. So we've had 16, 17, 18, 19, and today is, very good, 20th. And it is Tuesday. So hopefully you're realizing that I'm here on Tuesdays and Miss Lee is here on Thursdays. Okay, so let's put it all together. So today is October, we forgot to say the day of the week, didn't we? Silly me. So today is Tuesday, so we say first, the day of the week, October 20th, 2020. There's a lot of 20s in the date today, isn't there? All right, well, very good. So let's sing our days of the week song. Remember how many days of the week? That is right, there are 7. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job. And we have gone to 20. Let's go ahead and practice counting that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. You did a great job counting. Let's go ahead and look at our pattern. I see when I look at this calendar, it's got a beautiful rainbow pattern going diagonal. So we've just got one green, but this is going down and it's blue. This one is a little bit bigger, it's purple. This one's a little bit more, this is red. What is this one? Orange, very good. And what is this one? And what color do you think tomorrow will be? I hope you said yellow. Yellow is correct. And 20 is our number today. So what's tomorrow's number going to be? 21. So it should be a yellow 21 when Miss Lee puts it up next. And then we've got our green, that will fall on Thursday. So see if you can figure out what color that will be. And then down here will be probably blue. That's right. You'll have to check and see. And I will come back and see you next Tuesday and we'll have more. The next week I see you, it will be the last week in October. We have some fun things for that week. All right, well, we need to do some counting. Let's go ahead and clap. All right, let's clap to 20 as we count. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. You guys did a great job. All right. We'll go ahead and let's look at our days over here. So today we said is Tuesday. Yesterday, so what happened in the past? What was yesterday? What comes before? And that is Monday. And then tomorrow, what's going to come after Tuesday? What's going to happen in the future? Okay, and that is Wednesday. Very good. Let's go ahead and look at our months. And we're way down here in the month of October. It's the 10th month. So this is our calendar of months every year. And the year starts with January. And that's when we get to see you guys. That's when you guys get to come to school and do this with us. So we have to finish October, then we have to go through November, and we have a holiday in that month of Thanksgiving, and then we have to go through the month of December, and we have a holiday of Christmas, that's right. And then after that, we start a new year, and we start January, and that's when you guys get to come see us. All right, so let's say our months of the year starting in January. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great job. If you will go ahead and stand up with me, put your hand on your heart. Let's go ahead and look at our flag and say the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job. I hope you're practicing that with us. And even days that Miss Lee and myself are not here, that you guys maybe have a calendar at home and you're doing it. You can teach your stuffed animals. You can teach younger brothers and sisters, but that you practice that pledge. You practice our morning prayer, or you can have another prayer. And you can even be praying for people, especially in your family that you want to be praying for, or animals or friends that you know that need special prayers. All right, well, we're going to come back. We'll do our I Am Special song at the very end, but let's look at our Bible verse for the month of October. It is, do not be afraid, because I am with you all the time. Jesus, God and Jesus are with you no matter what. All right, let's look at our skills. So these, remember, some have changed, some have not. We do have a new letter. This is our new letter this week. It is the letter F, and it is for Francie Fish. Francie Fish. Oh, do you have a fish at home? We've had a few fish at our house. We don't have any fish right now. We are also going to be talking about the number 6, and when you look at your fingers starts with the letter F, that's right. When you look at your fingers and you count 6, you're going to use both hands. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6. You have one hand of fingers and your thumb. And that is counting to 6. Let's count the kites, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kites. Very good. All right. Now our color and shape has not changed. And our color and shape are still the color orange and our shape of a triangle with 4 sides. I have a couple of things that are orange here to remind us. We found some orange Play-Doh, an orange building block, an orange egg. I have an orange shirt on. Do you have anything orange on today? Check to see. Maybe if you don't have anything orange on, you could have an orange day tomorrow, that everybody in your family wears orange tomorrow, even a little something of orange. So that is our shape. That is our color, and our shape is triangle. Triangle's kind of hard to find. I can't find many things right here in the classroom, but Miss Lee showed you some orange triangles the other day, and they are similar because they're triangles, but they are different because they're different sizes. This one, which one is smaller? That's right, this one. And which one is bigger? That's right, very good. So these are 2 triangles, and we have our birthday hat that is a triangle also. So keep looking for things that are orange and triangles. Easy thing to find is orange things in the month of October. There's lots of orange. I'm getting out my Halloween and fall decorations, and there's lots of orange. Leaves aren't turning to change too much yet, but they will be very soon. All right, we do have a new word. Our new word is pumpkin. Pumpkin. Do you have a pumpkin yet? I still don't have a pumpkin. I have to get a pumpkin very soon. So to put on my porch, Okay, and then when I change it, when I carve my pumpkin, it becomes a jack-o'-lantern. But right now, you see lots of pumpkins. They're coming small and big, and sometimes really enormous, really big. So be looking for pumpkins, and look, if you have different pumpkins in your house, maybe you can go around and see which one is the biggest, which one is the smallest. Maybe you can sort them, because remember, all pumpkins aren't just orange. I've seen white pumpkins, I've seen green pumpkins, I've seen orange pumpkins. Some are light orange, some are dark orange, almost red. So look for the different shapes of pumpkins and look for the different colors. It's also really fun to do some experiments with pumpkins. If you take a pumpkin, you can see how big or round it is. You can take a tape measure and see how fat it is or how tall it is, because some pumpkins are tall, some pumpkins are fat. You can also put it in some water. Do you think it will sink to the bottom or do you think it will float? Okay, so you can all do all kinds of things on your October calendar that I had given you in your packet. If you cut it out, you can scoop out the seeds. You can practice counting the seeds. You can clean the seeds, and then you can cook them. You can toast them in the oven with an adult, and they're a yummy snack. But counting the seeds after you clean them is a really great thing to do also. You can decorate pumpkins all different ways. So there are so many fun things to do with pumpkins. Our season hasn't changed. It is still fall. Our brown bear is still wearing his orange overalls for the fall. And our weather. Do you know what? The sun is back out, but the temperatures are a little bit cooler. So I can't just wear a short sleeve. I get cold easily, so I have to wear a long sleeve even though the sun is out. So let's check the weather, all right? Ready to sing it with me? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Let's check the weather, check the weather, check the weather out today. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy out today? Let's check the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Well, when I look, it is sunny out, but it is a little cooler. It's not 90 degree and really hot sunny out. It is sunny and it's kind of cool. It's in the 70s, so it's getting a little bit cooler. We're gonna have to wear jackets pretty soon and pants and maybe real shoes, because our sandals or our flip-flops are gonna make us have cold feet. So that is my weather today. What is your weather like at your house? All right, well, we've done a lot of great things. I just wanted to show you a few things first before we finish up today. I want to show you something again with pom-poms. Pom-poms, you can do so many different things. If you have some pom-poms or you have anything in your house that has a couple of different sizes or shapes, you can do so many things. You can sort if they have different colors, so you can sort. So you can put all the green pom-poms and all the orange pom-poms together. You can find all the big ones and put them together if they're different colors, and find the smaller ones, and then there's this itty bitty one, so you can sort by shapes and colors. You can put them in order from the smallest, oh, they're kind of sticking, from the smallest pom-pom to the middle to the really big ones. So you can put them in order from the smallest to the largest. Okay, you can even do that with leaves. If you go outside and find some leaves, maybe collect a bucket of leaves and then sit on your back porch and figure out, well, which ones are the green ones, which ones are the brown ones, and then group them by color. And then you can group them by size and maybe put the tiniest all the way to the biggest up there. All right, so all kinds of things. And remember, use those pinchers. One other thing that you can use, and I'm looking, an old ice carton or a muffin tin that you can have your child use, and what you do is use those snap clippers. Oops, I've got one attached. So use those clippers and you count out, and maybe you put a number in the bucket and it says 3, and they count out 3 pom-poms and put it in that tray. Or you can use beans or something small that you might have just even at your house. So cotton balls is a great thing to use those pinchers and count out. Even on a paper plate, put a number 3 and have them count out 3 cotton balls. Have another paper plate that says 6, our new number, and have them pinch and put 6 cotton balls, and then with their finger point out and have them count. It's really important that they are using that 1-to-1 correspondence, that when you're counting, you're touching that object. Because sometimes kids get in such a hurry, they want to just count. They know the numbers in their head, but they're not doing the 1-to-1 correspondence. So they point to the object and count. So this is 1, this is 2, and then keep going down. So those are just some fun things to do. I also found a big bucket of feathers. F is our letter this weekend, and we're going to do more with the letter F, and I'm going to tell you about Francie Fish when we do our letter video in just a minute. But all kinds of feathers I found here. You could group, if you had feathers at your house, you could group them by color. If they come in different shapes, you could do that. Different sizes. Mostly a feather is about the same shape. But then you could even make a project with them. Maybe you could make a fish, a feathered fish. That would be a fun thing to do. So feathers are a fun craft just to play with. They even just feel good. It's a great sensory project to do. And then I found this farm for the letter F. So we are going to be talking about Francie Fish. Francie Fish makes the F sound, the F. So you put your teeth together, and what you do for the letter is you put your one hand this way. Oops, I've got to figure it out. And then the other one on top, okay? Just like that. So your palm and palms. Okay, so take your 2 hands, just do like this. You've got your thumbs on both sides. And Francie Fish says, F. Francie Fish says, F. So you can see, you put it down like this in front of you, but both thumbs are wiggling out, like those are the fins swimming in the water. But we do it. Francie Fish says, F. Francie Fish says, F. All right, so we will do more letter time in just a minute. I want to show you one other thing, and that goes back to patterning. I found these cards, and you might not have these at home, but Mom, an adult or even big brother or big sister could make you cards like this with 2 objects. They could be anything. They could be sunshines or bugs or anything you want to use. This one has orange bats and white ghosts, and I actually have a bucket of those things. So when you look at it, you see orange bat, white ghost, orange bat, white ghost, orange bat. What would come next? White ghost, that's right. So we've got orange, white, orange, white, orange, white, and keep going with the pattern. So you can make these little cards at home, or you can use real things, real counters, chips from a game, or a bingo point counters, or even feathers. You could make a pattern with feathers. So I just pulled out, I've got a purple feather, a blue feather. What would come next? A purple feather. And the next would be a blue feather, and lay them out, making patterns. Here's another card. This card has a purple bug, a black bug, a purple bug, a black bug. And we actually have some of them. So you'd find it, purple bug, black bug, purple bug, black bug. What would come next? Purple bug. Exactly. So practice patterns. Those are so fun. And again, you can use anything you have in your house, from beans to feathers to leaves outside to cotton balls, all kinds of fun things that you might have at your house. Practicing pattern, practicing picking up, practicing sorting by color, by shape, by size, and then practice counting and being specific of pointing and counting for that 1-to-1 correspondence. All right, well, we have done a great job with our calendar time. Let's go ahead and do our I Am Special song. So get your thumbs up, ready? I am special, I am special. Can't you see, can't you see? Someone very special, someone very special. God made me, God made me. I am special, I am special. Can't you see, can't you see? Someone very special, someone very special. God made me, God made me. Great job. You did an awesome job today. I hope you enjoyed calendar time. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.